The weather's warming. Time to go out and grill up some burgers. Here's a keto-friendly version of my favorite hamburger. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. For the burger patties, I'm using an 80% lean to 20% fat ground beef. And I'm just breaking it up and rolling them into balls. These will make about a 1/3 pound burger each. If you really want to, you can use an ice cream scoop to make sure the burgers are the same size, but I'm just eyeballing them, and if they're a little bigger or smaller, it's not such a big deal. This is just like rolling a very heavy snowball. It's that easy. I made 9 burgers, and now it's time to grill. So here I'm just lighting up my grill and preheating a griddle that I have layered on with one of those non-stick grill mats. This just makes cleanup a cinch. So super easy, guys. Just put the balls of meat on the grill, evenly spaced apart, and they'll start to sizzle. Apologies for the leaf blower in the background. And what I'll do is just take a lid from a pan and smash it down. If you wet the lid a little bit, it'll prevent sticking to the patty. This smash burger method is my favorite way to make burgers. It maximizes the surface area in contact with the heat, maximizing the browning and that Maillard reaction, which creates a nice crispy crust on the outside and a very juicy moist inside. And here I just sprinkle some seasoning on each patty. Notice I did not pre-season the meat at all. All it takes is some nice seasoning salt and some ground pepper. Now we don't touch these beauties for 4 to 5 minutes. So what we're looking for is a bit of crispiness on the edges. You'll see a little browning on the edges. And also you're gonna see some red of the juices float to the top. And that's the time to flip. You can smash them again, or if you like a thicker burger, you can just leave it as is. Here we'll season this side, again with the seasoning salt and ground pepper. So now what you're looking for is when the juices start to float to the top and they're running clear. That's when you know your burger is done. About another 4 to 5 minutes. Here's a close-up, and you can see that beautiful browning across the entire surface of the patty. That's gonna give a great mouthfeel for that burger. A little bit of a crust and then a soft, tender inside. Now's a perfect time to melt on some cheese if you'd like to. Otherwise, it's time to take them off the grill. Here's a super fast way to make a keto bun. All you need is almond flour, baking powder, xanthan gum, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of butter. In a small bowl or mug, you can melt the 1 tablespoon of butter. Then crack an egg on it. We'll add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and stir until combined. Once combined, scrape down the sides and we'll pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And just like that, it's done. It's puffed up a little bit and it's now ready to eat. And I'll just invert it and dump it out on a plate. It's nice and spongy and soft, similar to a cake. Now I'll just slice it in half with a paring knife and create 2 halves of a bun. And look at that, nice and airy, soft, pliable, works just like a regular bun. Now, as a bonus step, if you want to toast your bun and make it look professional, you can add an egg wash to the top, cover it in all the crevices, and toast it in a toaster oven for a couple minutes until the egg wash is cooked. And there you have it, a nicely toasted keto bun. Perfect for your hamburger. Time to add the fixings and assemble. First, I like to put on some mayo for that lovely taste. Next, I'll add a leaf of lettuce, followed by our fresh off the grill burger patty. Here we'll add some cheese, some onions, pickles, and lastly mustard to hold it all together. Pop on the top bun and we're ready to eat. Now that looks and feels like a legit burger, and it's keto friendly too. That is really good. That is one legit burger. You've got the toasted bun, some melted cheese, crunching through that crust of the burger patty, but the soft and tender inside. All the flavors just melt together. Now that's one tasty burger, and it beats out many of the fast food options out there. Oh, it's keto friendly too. Enjoy, everybody. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.